Welcome to Daily New Drawings. Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily New Drawings channel. In this video, we are going to draw a different kind of suns. Let's draw it. I draw two cute eyes with its eyebrows, then I draw a circle around it. And also lightning around it. Let's draw a stylish and cool sun. I draw a circle and its eyebrows with its cool glasses. Then I draw a smiling mouth of it. And also some elements of lightning. Now let's draw the third naughty sun. I draw its eyes and a mouth with tongue, and then I draw its eyebrows. I draw a circle. I complete it with its lightning. Now I am going to draw a horrible and evil sun. I draw a circle and eyes, an opening mouth with its big teeth. Now I am going to draw an angry sun. I draw a circle with its lightning. Now I am going to draw its angry eyes. Add angry eyebrows and also mouth. Now I am going to draw a lovely sun. Smiling mouth with two teeth. Circle and its lightning. Now I am going to color all these cute suns. I am using yellow for its circle. And orange for its lightning. Let's color the second sun. I'm using yellow for its circle. And light orange for its light. And green color for cool glasses. I use red for the tongue of the third sun. Pink for its lips. Fresh red for its lightning. Now it's time to color the evil sun with this orange marker. Red for its scary mouth. And also its lightning and eyes. Now it's time to color the angry sun. Orange for its circle. And orange for its lightning. And inside the mouth, I use black marker. And I add some red on it. color our final sun, I use red marker for its heart and tongue. I'm using yellow for its circle. And inside the mouth, I use black marker and orange for its lightning. So cool! If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.